Hello, this is what I got in the mail. A free energy saving kit. And I just wanted to show you what I got. And if you wanted to get a free kit, I'll show you how you can do that. This is all what I got. I got some LED bulbs. I got the regular 60 watt that only uses 9 watts. The brightness for LED bulbs, you really don't go by the watt usage. You want to go by the brightness of it, which is 8. This one here is 800, which is the 60 watt. Warm usage right there. So it'll be the warm light. The higher the lumens, then the brighter the bulb is. You can see I got 2 packs of those, which that's 2 bulbs in there and 2 bulbs in there. A 75 watt LED bulb, which is only 12 watts, and the brightness is 1100. That's 1 bulb. A 2-pack of 100 watt bulbs, and I don't know why they sent this too. A 3-way curly bulb, which I guess it does save a little bit of energy, but I would say just send another LED bulb. Don't send one of these. And these actually contain mercury, so I don't know why they sent this. This was not a very good idea. They should have just added another LED bulb in there. But anyways, I also got 3 LED night lights. Also, you got a furnace filter whistle that you put this on your furnace filter, and it will let you know when you need to change your filter on your furnace. And also you have some information about how to save energy, and this is a magnet here actually. But that is everything that I got in the kit. And if you would like to get a free kit, this was free, you can. This is the information here. You can call the number or you can go online, which the easiest is going online. No cost for the kit. There's the website there, right there. But yeah, I just wanted to pass the information on, and if you wanted to change your light bulbs to try some LED bulbs out, won't save you right away, but over time, it's good to switch out. It'll save you from having to replace your bulbs every time they burn out. But anyways, thanks for watching, and hope you will save some money.